What's the meaning of cartridge paper? Cartridge paper. Cartridge paper.
Cartridge paper. Cartridge paper. Cartridge paper is a type of heavy, high-quality paper that is often used for artistic and technical drawings. It is usually off-white or cream-colored and has a slightly textured surface, which provides a good grip for pencils, pens, and other drawing tools. The paper's thickness and strength allow it to withstand repeated erasing and the application of different mediums, such as ink and watercolor. Its durability also makes it suitable for printmaking and bookbinding. Overall, cartridge paper provides a reliable and versatile surface for various types of artwork and creative endeavors.